lọ́gùn kẹ̀kẹ́ ní ibi ṣọmọ àwọn oníjẹ́ bàtú máa jẹ́ sí onírànù yóò pọ̀ jù.
Brother Shaggy.
Ẹ gbé fún ẹ lò and Shaggy. How are you?
I'm fine.
Any question of the day?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, hit me.
What's the difference between manicure and pedicure?
Eh?
The difference between manicure and pedicure.
Manicure, pedicure. Make I drink water, make I understand what it is. What you say happen?
The difference between manicure and pedicure.
You don't know. It's simple now. Say one more man. Everybody know manicure and pedicure now. Oh yeah. So everybody know.
So sir, what's the difference between manicure?
Mommy, Bobo.
Oh man, Jesus.
Longest time, you don't tell us they don't come out for area now.
Brother Shaggy.
It's all about. I make a hear what something they worry. You know, the greet person. You don't even get respect. Oh, Mojo, Mara. Person they pass and they greet her. They ask me, what is your problem?
Sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself. What is your question?
Sir, the difference between manicure and pedicure.
You don't know that one. Manicure and pedicure where they give man. Oh yeah.
Is it?
For hospital premises.
Hey! I hear me, by me.
You understand what I'm saying? And pedicure. Oh yeah, it's a for woman.
Huh?
I don't know if you understand, but before that they call a woman cure.
Hey! I die.
You understand, like manicure, like woman cure. But for Independence Day for Nigeria, one woman died. They can't change her from woman cure to pedicure because that woman name now Pedilola.
Go and sit down.
Oh yeah, Pedilola animal sham. You understand? They live for 2 days, so they can't change her from manicure to Pedilola. Oh yeah, like pedicure. You understand what I'm saying?
Make I don't hear that for your mouth again.
Because you both say what? A womanism is a feminism structure of a woman hierarchy. Yes. Yes. Thank you.
I don't know.